Greetings to all of you present here. My name is Mustansar Mufaddal Dawadwala, and today we're here to talk about what the government has to offer for all the viewers, you young viewers, the next generation of India are here to learn about. What are we really here to learn about? We're here to learn about how the government helps you to code. Well, you might ask the question, why code? Why me? Why does the government even have to care about what I do? Well, to discover and uncover about what the government has to say about what it does, how it does it, and why it does it, we have our respected co-panelists here to talk about the same. So, without any further ado, I would like to introduce the partners for the event, including, including our dear partners, RoboChamps, Navayuvak Entrepreneurs, World of Records United Kingdom, International School of Awards, Chapai.com, and Code Bharat. It is because of these partners that we are unable and we are unable to deliver a panel benefit you, our audience, our India, our young India, for a better tomorrow. Well, the topic for the day is how does the government help students learn coding? And for that, I would like to introduce all our panelists present here today. So I request Ms. Sandeepa to introduce herself and give a few words on the topic.
Good evening. Good evening. Myself, Dr. Sandeepa Sood, principal at Saffron Public School, Fagwada. I've been working as a principal for the past 20 years. If we talk about the today's need, so the coding, basically, I've been to so many countries. I've seen the young kids over there. They're all used to the coding. So this is a very good initiative by our country to start coding from 6th onwards. So I think that will be a really revolutionary step in the field of coding. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for your introduction, ma'am. Dr. Kesawa, your introduction, please. Dr. Kesawa, over to you. You're on mute, sir.
Hello. Actually, I'm not related to software. I think the initiation what you will take as a part of school education in Andhra Pradesh, I think nowadays we have seen that the system of even administration and lifestyles and everything is depended on computers and technology. In olden days, as we know,
I think we lost her there. All right. While we have him back, I would like Ms. Manisha to introduce herself, please. All right. Apologies, Ms. Manisha. Is it all right if Dr. Kesawa can go ahead? All right. All right. Dr. Kesawa, over to you. I think we lost you there in between.
Okay, see, because of internet problem, it is disconnecting frequently. However, I am in the line.
All right.
Okay, now coding is also become in future a part and parcel of our life. So introducing coding as one of the subject or one of the part of the work, it is necessary for our school children. And that's my feel, and I think as far as my knowledge is concerned, it is required. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Kesawa. Over to Ms. Manisha for her introduction.
Yeah, namaskar everyone. I'm Manisha Singh, Educationist and founder chairperson of Maan the Value Foundation. जो फाउंडेशन एजुकेशन गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स है उनके एजुकेशन के लिए वर्क करता है। लास्ट 15 ईयर्स से वर्क करते आ रहे हैं और लाइक कोडिंग जो है बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। सो मैं कांग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी कोड भारत, रोबोचैम्प्स और जो टीम है पूरी टीम को और बेस्ट विशेस फ्रॉम माय साइड।
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's indeed a pleasure to host each and every one of you here. Mr. Shamsuddin, your introduction. I hope you can hear us, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome.
Okay. Yes. It's audible?
Absolutely, sir. I request you to please reorient yourself so that all of our viewers can see you as well.
Yes, sir. I'm Dr. Shamsuddin, professor in psychology. I'm very glad to participate in this particular panel discussion on the initiation taken by the various state governments on coding. It's a brief information regarding our Andhra Pradesh government. They are bar coding on the textbooks and coding subject in 7th class textbooks and many others. So it is very relevant and appropriate topic to discuss. And next one, it is better to extensively use it in our India. That's why the terminology used the Code Bharat. That's very appropriate. I'm very happy to participate in this panel discussion. Thank you very much, and over to you, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much.
First of all, I would like to request all of you to please not call me sir, just call me Mustan. I feel very old then. All right. Before we go ahead to the panel discussion, I would like all of you, what exactly is coding all about, and why is it that it is now that it's coming into our curriculum and not before? All right, Miss Sandeepa, you could start.
You see, basically, coding is part of the children, like they need to know coding. Hello.
All right, now I'll request to switch off your video so that we can hear you. I think the internet's gonna create a problem in today's panel discussion. I lost it there. All right, Miss Manisha, what is it about coding that is so important, and why is it being inculcated only very often and very recently?
Coding is very important. अभी के जो हम लोग जिस तरह से एक क्रांति आ रही है और हमें जिस तरह से आगे चलना है, आगे बढ़ना है, तो उसके लिए कोडिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है। और एक तरह से जो अभी नए जो इनिशिएटिव हुए हैं कोडिंग को लेके, जो आगे क्लासेस हैं, वो सब बहुत हेल्पफुल है, जिसमें हर तरह से बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिली है आगे उनको घर बैठे, जिस तरह से हमें कोरोना काल में सीखा है हमने ये सब कि किस तरह से हम घर बैठे ही भी अपनी शिक्षा पा सकते हैं, किस तरह से। तो कोडिंग इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है बिकॉज हम सब ने एक सिचुएशन में एक नई चीज़ को सीखा और उसको आगे हम उसी तरह से लेके जाएंगे। अगर वर्ल्ड में अगर हमें रहना तो हमें अपडेट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और अपडेशन के अंदर वही है कि अपडेट रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और उसी के साथ साथ हम जो कोडिंग है वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है सभी के लिए।
All right, that's a very valid answer, and it's a fair way of describing the current situation. My question is to you and Dr. Kesawa. So if you're there, why very recently, if you're talking about becoming very future-proof, why not a subject such as statistics or analytics or any other subject? What
analog system? That means to learn or to teach or to know, it is simply giving some textbooks, giving some examples and all these things. Whereas now science and technology is completely depend on the digital way. So to know, to understand, to study something about any subject or any subject of that matter, or we have to represent something, we need this kind of computer-based systems. That means the digital systems especially. So to know the digital system, the coding is one of the tool and one of the language, I think. So as the trend is changed to the globalization, so we have to be in the part of the globalization. So therefore, our children also, our school children also, we stream in the same line.
All right. So your perspective puts our students.
हम कह सकते हैं कि हमें अगर हमें विश्व के साथ चलना है, दुनिया के साथ चलना है, जहाँ पे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का जमाना है, तो हमें बहुत जरूरी है ये सब।
Absolutely. Mr. Rishabh, welcome on board to the panelists. Would you like to add on to something?
Yeah, good evening, sir. How are you?
All right, I'm well. What about you?
I'm good. Okay, so basically, I'm also dealing with coding, right? Right now, I am a teacher who teaches students coding, right? And I have seen many students जिन्हें सिर्फ कोडिंग ही सीखनी है. They just like 8 साल का बच्चा है, वो सिर्फ कोडिंग सीखना चाहता है. उसे ABC में अब कोई कुछ नहीं रहा. He just want कि मैं आऊँ अपना लैपटॉप लूँ. एंड ये जो पैंडमिक में हुआ, ठीक है, सब बच्चों को लैपटॉप की, सब बच्चों को सब जनरेशन को इसी की चीज चाहिए. अब उन्हें गेम अब खेलना नहीं है, अब गेम बनानी है उन्हें. They have come to that point.
Absolutely. In fact, sir, आपके point as well as insightful in the sense that यहाँ पे वो आपको कुछ नहीं सिखाया जैसे मैथ्स या फिजिक्स सिखाता है. यहाँ पे उल्टा it's about all of you taking away and gathering your thoughts to it. In fact,
Yeah.
we are the ones that are actually building up coding, right, as a platform.
Right.
And I mean, because you've done so many panels before, some of these few points included a very well-rounded thought that coding is no longer just the subject or an element or an attribute. It is an entire form of communication in itself. Today,
Yeah.
I mean, in fact, all of you must agree here that because of your coding, your one line of code, you're helping someone become more efficient, more productive, less stressful, making them cost pocket friendly. There's so much that coding offers to us.
Like right now, if you see
And
all
it's
around you,
not
everything is
just
getting
that coding is giving you a 1 + 1 or a 0, 1, 0. What are your thoughts that I would like to hear about as well from you, Mr. Rishabh?
like, see, right now, if you see all around you, everything is getting automatic, right? Everything. And simple. So the basic reasons that is making automatic is only about coding, right? Like coding is right now involved in our cars, right? In about the doors, in about your home, in every part we have involved coding, and we are making our life easier with the coding. And right now, if you see about the jobs, right? Right now, the current state of the jobs is also rising. The only rising industry right now is about IT industry, right?
Absolutely.
So exactly the need of the hour is right now about coding.
AI machine delivering my part to all of you and conducting it. It's very soon that all of these things happen as well. They're taking our jobs. Absolutely. What is your point of perspective on this, Ms. Manisha, about coding creating more jobs and opportunities?
Yeah, all about this. Like, sorry, आप सुन पा रहे?
Yeah, we can hear you, ma'am. Don't worry. जी, please go ahead.
Yeah. So बहुत ज़रूरी है ये सब चीज़ें. मैंने जिस तरह से पहले ही दे दिया कि हम एक AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के साथ में है और सब चीज़ें और जॉब जो है आजकल एक वर्ड हम घर पे लेके बैठे हुए एक तरह से हम घर पे बैठे हुए हर तरह से accordingly.
All right. So what Ms. Manisha would like to add on to is that somehow, in fact, Mr. Reddy will also agree to us that the pandemic has pushed us to go towards technology. Maybe many of us from Gen Z or maybe Gen Y might have been a little more comfortable with technology, adapted to what it has to offer. However, closer to the Gen Y, the ones closing up to the ages of Gen X, they're not comfortable with what technology is. They find it very hard to cope up with what it has to offer. So, I mean, Mr. Reddy, what do you think why has the pandemic, tuned us towards towards the technology? Mr. Reddy, over to you.
See, some pandemics, some natural disasters, they are doing some lessons. And they change their whole life. For example, in our schools and colleges, sometimes we are not allowed the cell phones of the students, isn't it? But at the time pandemic, we are requesting them to buy some phones or apps for online learning purpose. So that is one of the
All right. I think this panel discussion is going to be between the two of us, Mr. Rishabh. We have a lot of viewers in a very tough spot today. And I was thinking I'll ask them the tough questions, but it's the internet that's asking them that.
Exactly, I think so. I think there is some network
Yeah,
issue
yeah,
with many of them.
Network is not today is not good. Sir.
I mean, we'll have to ask our viewers that you create a better platform that is.
Hello,
It's all right,
Mustan.
Mr. Manisha. Yes, ma'am.
मुस्तान, यस मैं पूछना चाह रही हूँ नेटवर्क इश्यूज मेरी तरफ से है या सबकी तरफ से ही है आज?
आज सबकी तरफ से इंडिविजुअली है।
बिकॉज आज हाँ बिकॉज मैं सुन पा रही हूँ किसी की बात ना, मैं मुझे लगता है कि मैं मेरा कोई बात सुन पा रहा होगा, मुझे बार बार ऐसे ही लग रहा है। बिकॉज कल हमने मिशन जो पहले की थी वो बहुत बेटर थी, आज थोड़ा सा मुझे भी लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे इश्यूज हैं।
Maybe there is something.
Yeah, actually, weekend. नेटवर्क का भी।
It's इंटरनेट को आज होता है ना कि it is humanizing, personify हो रहा है इंटरनेट, उसको भी आज वीकेंड चाहिए शायद।
वीकेंड चाहिए।
Maybe.
I mean, to all the young viewers out there, boss, create a better platform which enables people to use very less bandwidth. ये जो पूरा खेल है, ये पूरा coding का है। Maybe you are 6 years old, maybe you are 5 years old. We have viewers who are even 3 years old as well. जिनको ABC नहीं आ रहा, फिर भी उनको excitement है कि लाओ कुछ और करें। Exactly. We have young toddlers who are learning programming at preschools. Can you believe that?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a very different world that we're living in today. Please, ma'am, say something. All right. So today we are in a very difficult spot. So we're going to have a very interactive one-to-one question as well. And Dr. Kesawa, if you have to add on, please let me know if you're there. So we talked about what coding is, the kind of opportunities it's going to create. And I mean, throughout my discussion, you're going to find that I talk a lot good about the kind of applications that are out there about coding. However, what are the kind of difficulties one might face in coding? Because I'm sure the government is trying to implement coding. There are students at an individual level who find coding difficult, or there are several other reasons. So Mr. Rishabh and Mr. Manisha, what are the difficulties in coding? I mean, how hard is it? Is that the problem? Please.
Yeah. Same. First तो हम लोग जिस तरह से हम लोग अभी फेस कर रहे हैं, that is first network problem. Then कोडिंग सबसे बड़ी बात है, कोडिंग जो टेक्नोलॉजी है हमारे इंडिया में, टेक्नोलॉजी को हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि बहुत हम लोगों ने सीधा मतलब हमने जब सीधा हम एग्रीकल्चर से उठ के सीधा हम सर्विसेज पे चले गए हैं। जो बीच का पार्ट था मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का, इंडिया की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का पार्ट वहां से गायब है बिल्कुल। सो गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज है वो भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, हम चाइना को किस तरह से वो कर रहे हैं कि चाइना में ज्यादातर चीजें बनती है एंड उसी कम रेट पर, जो कम रेट पर अवेलेबल होती है। तो हम बात कर रहे हैं टेक्नोलॉजी के जो टूल्स है, टूल्स एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की। सुन पा रहे हैं मुस्तान?
जी एब्सोल्युटली सुन पा रहा हूं।
तो मेन चीज ये था कि हम लोग जो सर्विसेज, जो बीच वाला मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वाला पार्ट है वो यहाँ से बीच में से थोड़ा सा हटा हुआ है। तो मतलब जो हमारे जो हर एक घर तक जो मेन टेक्नोलॉजी है वो अगर अवेलेबल हो जाए एंड हर टूल्स, टेक्नोलॉजी और टूल्स की बात हम करते हैं, वो अगर अवेलेबल हो जाए सब जगह तो हमारे कोई फेस नहीं कर सकते। इवन मैं नेटवर्क जो इश्यूज हमारे साथ में हो रहे हैं, जो लाइक जो भी तरह के जो हम लोग प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, हमें उन पे वर्क करने की जरूरत है। ठीक है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है टेक्नोलॉजी सीखने, मतलब हमारे इंडिया में इतने इंटेलिजेंट जो है, हम लोगों के पास में इतना हर एक पावर है, सीखने की पावर है, बहुत जल्दी लर्नर्स है, हम लोग बहुत क्विक लर्नर्स है। तो वो सीखने वाली बात कहीं पे भी मिसिंग नहीं। बात यहाँ पे मिसिंग है कि जो टूल्स, टेक्नोलॉजीज और जो चीजें बेसिक जो चीजें हैं वो हमें नहीं मिल पा रही है। तो इसी तरह हर एक घर में ये सब चीजें मिसिंग है। अगर ये हर के पास में इंटरनेट सुविधा हो, टूल्स के लिए मोबाइल फोन्स, लैपटॉप्स, ये सब हो, तो कोडिंग कहीं पे भी दूर नहीं है। तो यही मतलब जो मिसिंग पार्ट है वो यही मिसिंग पार्ट है। बाकी वी आर ऑल लाइक क्विक लर्नर्स एंड ऑल, जो भी चीजें हैं हम लोग बहुत जल्दी से ग्रैस्प कर लेते हैं। बट जहाँ पे बात होती है मिसिंग पॉइंट कि वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आर्टिफिशियल थिंग्स है, अदरवाइज वी आर बेस्ट। और कोडिंग हम लोग पहुंच सकते हैं अगर गवर्नमेंट बॉडी है वो इस पे बहुत ज्यादा काम करना शुरू कर दे, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पे काम करना शुरू कर दे, तो हम हर एक घर में ये सब सुविधा उपलब्ध हो जाएगी एंड वहां पे फिर हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है। दैट इज ये हो गई एक ग्रैंड जो कहते हैं ना अकॉर्डिंगली। सो वही चीज है, अगर गवर्नमेंट अगर इन चीजों पे काम करे, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पे काम करे, तो बहुत सस्ते में हर एक इंसान की, मतलब जब अब हम हमारे जो संविधान है, संविधान के अंदर हमारे ये कहा गया है कि वेलफेयर स्टेट। सो अगर अभी हमारे 35% ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके पास घर नहीं है, बट वेलफेयर स्टेट ये किसी पर्सन की गलती नहीं है, ये गलती है कि उस जगह की
आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाई है वो पीढ़ी,
गवर्नमेंट बॉडी की, कि उन्होंने अवेलेबल नहीं करवाया,
ऑप्शंस नहीं मिले।
समाज की गलती है, उस आसपास में रहने वाले उस समाज की गलती है, उस जगह की गलती है कि उन्होंने उनको अवेलेबल नहीं करवा पाया। तो वेलफेयर जो संविधान के अंदर है, वेलफेयर स्टेट, वो चीज पे अगर काम करने लग जाए, हर एक के पास में घर बेसिक सुविधाएं हो, और अगर कोडिंग की बात हो रही है तो अगर उसी का बेसिक सुविधा मिलती है तो फिर कहीं पे भी कोई चीज नहीं है, तो ये सब चीजें मिसिंग है अभी।
ऑलराइट, आपने बहुत खूबसूरती से बताया कि देश आगे बढ़ना चाहता तो है, पर उसके पास वो काबिलियत भी है, मतलब हम जो बात करते हैं मेंटल रिसोर्सेज सब है, बस जो आगे आंखों के आगे जो देखने वाली बात है वो मिसिंग है। एंड समहाउ इट्स आल्सो अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ विलिंगनेस, आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहे। आपको पता है जब आपके पास आप कर सकते हो, तो आई मीन दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ, it's a vision that all of you viewers should understand. Even if it's about coding, if it's about some other revolutionary thing, अगर you think you're capable of doing something, if something excites you, और आपके पास वो resources नहीं, it's not only about the money today. आज सब resources सही जगह, सब जगह पे available है। It's high time. जी प्लीज।
आपने देखा, मैं हमेशा ग्राउंड लेवल की बात करती हूँ और एक रियलिटी की बात करती हूँ, बिकॉज मैंने ये सब देखा है। तो हम हमेशा बात करते हैं परेशानियों की, हम हमेशा बात करते हैं क्या कमियां हैं, लेकिन हम कभी उसके सॉल्यूशन की बात नहीं करते। सो वही है, गवर्नमेंट के साथ में हमेशा ये होता है कि ये कमियां हैं, लेकिन उसके सॉल्यूशन की कभी बात नहीं करते और उसको सुधार की कभी बात नहीं करते। तो बात हमेशा ये है कि हाँ, इसी गवर्नमेंट की सोच ने हमें एग्रीकल्चर से सर्विसेज में पहुंचा दिया, लेकिन जो बीच का पार्ट है वो मिसिंग कर दिया उन्होंने। जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अगर वो बढ़ाए ज्यादा से ज्यादा तो क्यों नहीं होगा, हर एक घर में हर एक सुविधा होगी और ये कोडिंग सबके लिए इजी होगी, बिकॉज हमारे में कोई गलती नहीं, हमारे में कोई कमियां नहीं है। हम लोग जब इंडियंस इतने पूरे वर्ल्ड में छाए हुए हैं, पूरे वर्ल्ड में सब तरह से हम कैपेबल है, हर तरह से हमें एक अलग ही पहचान मिलती है, सो क्यों नहीं मिलेगी, इसमें क्यों नहीं मिल सकती।
बहुत खूबसूरती से आपने, आई थिंक ऑल्सो हैव मिस डॉक्टर सुब्रमण्यम ऑन बोर्ड। So just a second, Nisha. Subramaniam, you there, sir?
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, we have your introduction earlier. May I wish you there?
Actually, I have joined at 5 p.m., but unfortunately not audible this session. So now I would like to share my opinion in this session.
All right, sir.
Actually, it is.
Our viewers would love to see the beautiful
good
face behind the voice, sir.
Actually, if video on, some audio is missing. So,
okay. Oh, we can see you and we can hear you, sir. So that's good for us right now.
Sir. Sorry, it is a very good session to us also, because we are already crossed 55. At least at this age, also we have to know something like coding, switching, terminology like this linked with software. Actually, we have discussed with our Principal Secretary Garu last month, because it is very necessary to introduce coding at the school level also. Actually, our principal secretary are also very interested to introduce our children from class 7 onwards. The coding topic has to be incorporated in our 7th class textbooks itself also. Now we are also going to introduce from next year onwards the coding topic in our textbooks. That is in mathematics textbooks. We are going to introducing from next year onwards.
That's beautiful, sir.
Next, I have to share something else also. Actually, coding is a part of life. I think coding is a communication, communication and thinking purpose also. It is very essential to anybody. As you said, the children from the beginning. I think after birth, we don't know that is coding.
Absolutely.
Now, this thing,
Younger.
you are doing very good job for our school children. That is my opinion.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you all in this session, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Subramanian, for your introduction. I'm hoping that you also join us for this panel discussion. There's a lot of insights and invaluable information that you can offer to us in this panel discussion. And I'm sure Mr. Shamsuddin and Dr. Reddy as well have a lot to contribute to the conversation. All right. So up till now, we talked about what coding is, the kind of opportunities it has, the kind of future it has, the kind of future you can have, right? So moving on to my next question, which is going to be a hard one for all of you here. And I'm hoping that somewhere it's a good one as well. Well, it's the bigger the coding, the easier the coding becomes today, the kind of more application it has for tomorrow. So to talk more about the kind of coding that can help someone, I would like to direct this question to Ms. Manisha. Ma'am, giving a personal experience, could you state how coding has helped an entire community or an individual? Please, ma'am. And I hope my question is clear.
Absolutely. मैं बोलना चाहूँगी बिल्कुल करती है कोडिंग हमेशा एक बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है सभी के लिए इवन और जिस तरह से एग्जांपल है हमारे सामने कि जिस तरह से हम लोगों ने लास्ट ईयर जो फेस किया उसमें अगर हम जैसे कोडिंग यूज कर रहे हैं कोडिंग को हम आगे लेके जा रहे हैं तो वो एक जो वैश्वीकरण है उसमें सहायता करता है हमारी एंड
All right. Yes, ma'am. We can hear you. All right. Mr. Rishabh, you can add on to her statements.
See, basically अगर हम कोडिंग की बात करें तो आपने देखा होगा लाइक कि आपके घर में अब सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है ग्रोसरीज राइट you can also get from your like from coding only. We have now inbuilt apps जो आपके घर पे बेसिक नेसेसरी की चीजें भी घर पे आएंगी
जी
and that is I think that all is possible only because of your coding only.
So I would like to counter question you on this.
Yeah.
And this question is again redirected to all of you. Is coding making
Hello.
जिस तरह से हम लोग वर्किंग पे है उसी तरह से हमने इसको फेस किया, हमने उसी तरह से लिया। एंड अगर ग्रोसरीज की बात कर रहे हैं सर, सो कहीं ना कहीं उस मामले में मैं कह सकती हूँ कि हाँ।
Sorry, I can't hear your question. Can you please repeat?
All right. Sir, my question was a counter question to your statement, asking all of you here, is coding really making us lazier than
Exactly, it
productive?
is. Exactly, it is. Like
So how is
suppose,
it good for us?
it is good for you. Like your life is becoming digital. Like earlier, you have to stand in queues to like withdraw cash from ATM. Right now, if you go on small shops as well, you have Google Pay. Like your cabs has, your auto walas have. Everyone has this Google Pay, right?
All right.
Don't-
So it's not making us lazier, it's making us more convenient.
Exactly. We
Right
can
of
say that.
speaking?
Now,
Absolutely great.
exactly. If it is going directly proportional to lazier, like becoming more convenient. So it is true.
Please go on. I'm listening to you. I'm just writing down the good notes. I'm going to make t-shirts out of your statements.
बट वी लेकिन हम लोग हमेशा मतलब लेजी साइड में भी हम लोग ज़्यादातर मैंने देखा है जो यूथ है हमारा, ये जो अकॉर्डिंगली सीधा नहीं जा रहा है, शॉपिंग एंड ऑल सब कुछ घर से है, सो दे आर बिजी इन वेब सीरीज।
That's also true.
No, no lazy one.
Ma'am, because I think you must have seen that one of the person said that अगर आपको कोई भी मुश्किल काम करवाना है, एक लेजी बंदे को ढूंढो, वो इजी वे ढूंढेगा उसे पूरा करने का।
Bill Gates के Steve Jobs, I think Steve Jobs का था ये statement.
Yeah, one of them has said that.
I think yeah, कोई
Yeah.
legend ने बताया है ये.
Yeah.
बड़ी बड़ी हस्ती ने. Dr. Reddy, I have my question for you, sir. Well, coding lazy तो नहीं बना रहा है, convenient नहीं बना रहा है, because you have been such an integral part of the institutions, about universities, about colleges, about schools. Because the school is a stepping stone to all of it. What would you advise students to do? Is coding the first step to everything, or should they go around somewhere, practice something, and then go to coding? What would be the right approach? And I hope my question's clear, sir.
So, you are asking about the coding or something else, which is purpose.
No, sir. My question is not about purpose. My question is about, and I think I can't hear you, sir. My question is about, if you had to advise or suggest the child today of 6 years old that you start coding, would you directly ask him to solve? All right, he's gone, but the question is directed to all of you here. Would you ask a 6-year-old child to start coding, try algorithms, and do tigdums, as we in Hindi mention, or you would ask him to go through some fundamental learnings and then go to coding? Basically following the textbook route or the new unconventional one is what I'm asking.
I think अगर चीजें
The
अच्छे
approach
way
you
से
are
हो,
asking about either induction or induction.
I can't hear you, Dr. Reddy.
Okay, sir. It's some technical issue. I think your voice are audible to me and your video.
Sir, आज नसीबी पांडु है, sir. All right, I think Mr. Rishabh had an answer for us. Sir, over to you then.
see basically जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है हर चीज का एक वे होता है, right? Basically youth का जो mind होता है, we can mold that in any shape, right? It is basically our duties, उनके गाइडर्स की, उनके मेंटर्स की, कि आप उन्हें किस वे में लेके जाना चाहते हो, ठीक है? अब अगर आप कोई भी बच्चे को देखो, अगर वो कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखता है, ठीक है, उसके घर वाले उसे सिखाते हैं, उसके पेरेंट्स उसे सिखाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता कि वो कहीं बाहर जाता है वो सीख के आ जाता है। तो अगर हम कोडिंग की बात ही करें, ठीक है, कोडिंग भी उनके लिए उतनी ही मुश्किल है जितनी उनके लिए एबीसी मुश्किल है, ठीक है?
क्योंकि नहीं है सर,
एग्जैक्टली, उनके लिए सब नया है, हम उन्हें किसी भी मोल्ड में शेप कर सकते हैं, राइट? वी कैन पुट एनी शेप टू देम। सो बेसिकली यस, आई विल से दैट कि अगर वो बेसिकली उनके इंटरेस्ट वाइज जानी चाहिए बस। अब सपोज करो किसी का इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, आप उसे वही काम करवाओ, वो एक बार ही ट्राई देगा, 2 बार ही करेगा, उसके बाद आपके एफर्ट्स भी आपको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, राइट?
Yeah, exactly. It's up to all kids कि हाँ वो किस तरह से इसको लेना चाहेंगे। और मैं अगर अपने बच्चों की बात करूं या जिसपे, बिकॉज इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट, सो बच्चे को टेक्स्ट के थ्रू नहीं कर सकते, ये प्रैक्टिकली बच्चा अपने आप सीख रहा है। कहते हैं ना हवाओं में जो चीज होती है, सो वो चीज है कि आजकल हवा में ये सब चीजें हैं, तो बच्चा अपने आप सीख रहा है फोन से जो भी चीज करनी है। इवन हम लोगों को भी बच्चे सिखा देते हैं कि दिस इज न्यू थिंग, दिस इज जैसे अभी रिसेंट मैं कुछ एक फेस कर रही थी, तो मेरी डॉटर ने बताया कि ये इस अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होगा, ये इस अकॉर्डिंग होगा। देन मैं अभी रिसेंट में बताऊं, मैं अभी कहीं बाहर हूँ, सो मेरी डॉटर ने मुझे सिखाया कि मम्मा पीछे का बैक, आप कहीं बाहर हो, बैकग्राउंड आप यूज कर सकते हो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, कि आपको कहीं ऐसा ना लगे। सो यू नो दैट कि
We
वो
can
बच्चे
see
की
the live example of coding.
सो इट्स ऑल अप टू द चिल्ड्रन, उनका क्या इंटरेस्ट है। सही बोला ऋषभ ने कि वो इंटरेस्ट पे डिपेंड करता है, बट अभी रिसेंट हर बच्चा सीखना चाहता है, डायरेक्ट कोडिंग सीखना चाहता है।
And basically, I would like to add on कि आजकल जितना एडवांसमेंट ने बच्चों को बता चुके हैं कि आप अपने इंटरेस्ट पे जाओ, ठीक है, जो आपका पैशन है उसके पीछे जाओ, आप उन चीजों के पीछे मत जाओ, नहीं हमें तो दूसरे को देख के मेडिकल करनी है, साइंस करनी है, नहीं। इफ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन कोडिंग, ओनली देन यू कैन प्रोसीड ऑन विद दैट, राइट। अब सपोज करो कि हम आपको कोडिंग सिखाए और उसके बाद आप कॉमर्स लेके सीए बन रहे हो, ठीक है, वो चीज भी आई विल नॉट suggested, right? So basically coding मेरे हिसाब से बिल्कुल ऐसा सब्जेक्ट बनता है जो as per interest जाना चाहिए।
Absolutely. Also because yeah, Mr. Shamsi, जी Dr. Subramaniam.
Muskan ji,
जी.
I would like to share something.
Please, sir.
This coding is, as I told earlier, coding is from the beginning, from by birth. It is necessary, but we would like to introduce the coding topic in integrated manner only. I think why, because we have so many subjects are there. From the beginning, we will introduce mathematics, English, language, first language, second language, third language, and so, and also other subjects also. Up to elementary level, we have to introduce integrated manner the basic subjects also. For example, in science, botany and zoology, chemistry, physics are integrated in general sense. At the same time, in mathematics also, calculus, trigonometry, like that, subjects are also we are teaching in an integrated manner through textbooks. So in all textbooks, we can integrate this coding topic. Not the coding topic. I would like to
the
introduce
pattern behind the coding, I guess.
Yeah. Not in a particular topic introduced in a mathematics or language part. I think internally we can integrate whenever necessary. We will use it, the concepts, and whenever concepts will be developed at the age of 7, 8, we can introduce coding as a topic in mathematics or any other subject.
So very well said. Rather than it's like बच्चों को आप मैथ करने को बोलोगे तो वो उसको प्यार नहीं करेंगे, नफरत करेंगे. But if you subtly, in a very structured but a very deformative sense give them to them, they'll think like it's a part of math. That's very well said. In fact, that brings me to a very important question for Mr. Shamsuddin and Mr. Rishabh. Sir, what exactly is the government doing to encourage coding in schools? What are the kind of measures and steps the government is taking? And
yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
actually, our government, AP government, our AP government is introducing as a part of in all subjects. For example, we are using coding in road and safety chapter in social sciences.
Okay. Wow.
From sixth
Yeah.
class sixth class onwards. Like that, we will introduce coding whenever necessary with an integrated manner.
Okay. All right.
या सेम गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज है बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें इसको प्रमोट कर रहे हैं लाइक जो हमारे सम्मानीय आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हैं मोदी जी हैं उन्होंने भी डिजिटल इंडिया पार्ट जो कि इसका बहुत बड़ा पार्ट को वो करता है कवर एंड दूसरी चीज़ें हैं कि गवर्नमेंट हर जगह से अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश कर रही है कोडिंग के लिए एंड प्रमोट कर रही है हर तरह से वो मतलब इसको इन्वॉल्वमेंट में उनका काफ़ी हाथ तो है बट जो मैंने जैसे लाइक पहले बोला कि जहाँ पे उनको कार्य करना चाहिए जहाँ उनको काम करना चाहिए बेसिकली जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और जहाँ पे उनको इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए वहाँ पे अगर वो इन्वेस्ट करें तो कहीं पे भी कोई भी परेशानी या वो नहीं रह जाएगी सो मेन है गवर्नमेंट प्रमोशन में सिखाने में लर्निंग में दे ऑल आर डूइंग दिस मेन जो चीज़ है एंड मुस्कान अब मैं इजाज़त चाहूँगी बिकॉज मेरी अर्लियर कमिटमेंट है सो उसके लिए तो मैं मीटिंग लीव करना चाहूँगी एंड थैंक यू सो मच मैं अक्षय आहूजा है और रोबो चैम एंड जो पैनलिस्ट हैं सभी से इजाज़त चाहूँगी वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट एंड जो भी आप सभी से जुड़कर और लास्ट डेज जो भी मीटिंग्स थी जो भी वर्चुअल हम लोगों ने फेस टू फेस बात की मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इससे जुड़कर और बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू सो मच मैम आपकी बात सुन के हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा Thank you.
Hello, sir.
So, all right. So that brings us to the final 15 minutes of our conversation, in which I would like to know: is it really as the government? G Shamsuddin sir, are you saying something?
Sir, hello.
G, we can hear you, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, topic is very good. When we think the implementation,
G,
because villages are more than the towns in our India. First of all, we have to know how many villages are, that means the electrification in the schools and students are well aware of that particular technology and how many teachers, how they are aware about this coding. These are all we have to know first. That means the ground root level. First of all, we have to assess what is the position in ground root level because it's the most important topic and it's part and parcel of our life and each and every walks of daily day-to-day life in our life. So हर दिन में हर जगह हर वक्त ये कोडिंग काम आता है लेकिन इसे हमें टेक्नोलॉजी से एक सब्जेक्ट के तहत हमें बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो कैसा है ये ग्रामीण इंडिया जो हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री इसके ऊपर बहुत कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं इसलिए हमें पहले असेस करना है कि व्हाट आर द लेवल्स एट द ग्रास रूट लेवल्स ऑफ द विलेज सो बच्चे कैसे हैं उधर इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन कैसा है और ये टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करने का तो उनका सुविधा कैसा है इसको सीखना है तो जो हम डिस्कस करते हैं ये पूरे शहर को लोगों को बहुत अच्छा मिलता है किधर सुविधा अच्छा है उधर अच्छा लगता है लेकिन we have to think the grassroots levels of the villages and tribal we have to know the situation and actual position how what is the existing and prevailing situation is there. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, you in a very well framed manner told us about how it's important for us to also tap into rural India because वहाँ पे resources और बहुत सारे कम है and we as citizens of India haven't been able to really reach them and benefit them. So my question is as the government of India, is it the central government's responsibility majorly or the state government's responsibility to educate students about coding?
Each and every individual of Indian citizen who are educated, they have to take responsibility not upon the state government and central government. We have to work with the educated person, whatever it may be the duty we have to do, and we will depend upon state government, central government.
Very, in a very safe manner. So you said this to us, and I think Mr. Rishabh would like to add something on it, sir.
See,
I'll conclude.
as individuals, if we want to contribute in this, right? If we want to contribute, like let's say, suppose if you have 15 minutes or 20 minutes, if you are giving a lecture to someone, right? If you want, like there are some 10 to 15 students, you want कि आप उन्हें कुछ पढ़ाओ, कुछ समझाओ, right? So as an individual, also we can contribute in these things. What I think is, so we should not go to directly to the government or state government. I think so.
आप दोनों ने बहुत खूबी से बताया है कि ये हमारे बारे में है. It's not about who wants to get it done. It's about who is willing to get it done.
Exactly.
Right? And to add on to that, as a in fact, because हमारे पास बहुत कम समय बचा है, I would like to, in a way, ask all of us to give our concluding remarks, and which is directed to the viewers. हमारे पास आज it's a world record event, like I earlier mentioned, 15,000 plus students, faculties, trainers, reputed working professionals, organizations, and schools who are watching the panel discussion live. So my request to all the panelists here is to, what advice would you give the viewers, and in fact include your concluding remarks in that as well. Let me start with Dr. Subramaniam. Sir, please.
Sir Muskanji, this is a very good platform. First, we would like to thank you very much. The platform created by you is a very good initiative and very useful for our school children also. This will be compulsorily by all means. Like already we know, National Education Policy 2020 is also recommended to incorporate coding in our syllabus also. Like this, both the central government and state governments also to be incorporated in their syllabus through textbooks. So the people will study coding from elementary level also. So your efforts are very for giving this opportunity to them. Lucky enough to participate.
The pleasure is all ours, sir. It's great to have such dignitaries here on board and help the students benefit. All right. I think the internet's not.
Hello, is it audible?
All right. So yes, you are now.
Yeah. Actually it's a great opportunity for us, and also it is a great opportunity for the students. It's a great initiative if we took it as a subject, as our internal part of the subjects, whatever it may be. It's one of the great initiative in the field of school education, because it is one of the what we can say, one of the representative part of change, globally changing the scenario of the education scenario. So it's one today or tomorrow it will be one of the compulsory subjects we need to study at school.
Incorporate into our curriculum. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Reddy. I think we lost you there once again.
Exactly.
Over to you, Mr. Rishabh.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Shamsuddin. Would you like to conclude?
Yes, sir.
Please go on,
this
sir.
is our collective responsibility to take up it each and every micro level of the citizen of India and students. So we are concerned to education department. That's why the collective responsibility regarding the code in the incorporating in schools, and it will be effectively implemented at grassroots level. So I'm very happy I'm very happy being a part of in this particular revolution, because change is law of nature. Change is law of nature. We have to act accordingly. That's why we have to take collective responsibility, sir. Thank you very much being a part of this. Thank you very much.
It's our pleasure to host you, sir. And that brings us to our final remarks by Mr. Rishabh. Sir, over to you.
Yeah, so I would like to say that nowadays we are getting many opportunities, right? And it totally depends upon ourselves that how we have to make them fruitful, right? Like in Three Idiots, there was an example, Kabil Badno, Kamyabi Jhak Maar ke Piche Aayegi. I think we should focus on that only. And
Absolutely.
if Kabil Banna is learning coding or learning anything in which you have interest, I think we should go on like smilingly. Smilingly should
Very
go
well said, sir.
behind our goals only.
Very, very beautifully stated, sir. And in fact, it brings back, I mean, let's just state that example as a concluding remarks. All of us have watched Three Idiots. You have seen how the world works. We know the kind of person we need to become today. And for my concluding note, that's all I have to say. Aj, it's not about coding. It's not about the government helping you code. It's not about the government helping you study. It's not about them making you educated. It's about making you. It's about making you complete. And how do you become complete? It's not that you need to be physically equipped with, devices, or you don't need a gym to become strong. You don't need to have football to be,
See,
have
they
agility.
are all luxuries. They are all considered as luxuries. They are not
Exactly.
necessities.
And I'm sure Dr. Subramaniam, Dr. Kesawa, Shamsuddin sir has seen decades and decades of education, right? Being in the government, they've seen how the country has developed. And I'm sure they'll also agree with me that unke zamane mein, remember if all of us watch Tarak Mehta, we have videos as Mere Zamane mein.
Yes.
Boss, they did not have this. They're educated. They are well equipped with what they have today because they had the agility. They had the willingness to learn. As coding is not just about a skill. It's not about getting a placement in some fancy college. It's not about making you a lot of money. It's about taking you somewhere where no one has gone before. Because coding, there's no right way to do it. There's no one solution. You can use a do while when you want to use an if while. I mean, these are all technical jargons, even that I don't completely understand. I'm a small part of something huge. And that's what we're trying to make you. We're trying to make you the big fish in the small pond, rather than being a small fish in a big pond. And I'm sure if you search this proverb, you'll get lots of different examples and motivational quotes that support the same. On this positive note, I leave all of you to thinking about joining a coding platform, joining a coding community, and becoming the next leader of India. And from that note, I, Mustansir Dawadwala, and all the panelists here, you have been really great. Thank you all for listening to us, and stay tuned for more.
Thank you
Signing
so
off.
much.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.